So Elijah is back from Camp Ramah. Yay! We missed him so much. And did you have a good time, Elijah?
Yes.
What was your favorite part?
Probably the end.
The end.
The end seemed like and the roast course.
Oh. And tell me what you just told me. Next year, do you want to go back for 2 weeks or a month?
A month, totally.
Awesome.
Yay. I go for a month.
No, I don't think you're allowed to. I think you're only allowed to go for 2 weeks for the first time. I don't know. We'll check it out.
Yes, you can. Actually, you can go for a month.
When you're in Gesher, you can go for a month?
If you sign up for Gesher B.
Oh, okay. So some of the kids in your bunk are staying?
Yeah.
Oh, some.
Actually, no, none of them are.
None of them are? Okay.
They all left.
Oh, okay.
Okay, I'll go up there.
Well, and David's back? Yay! Okay. Well, officially I have a Ramah neck. Yay!